Hello, and thank you for joining us here at 3D Additive Fabrication Inc. For those of you who are not familiar with us, we are experts in fusing modern design technologies with traditional painting techniques and assembly methods, creating the artistic masterworks of tomorrow. Today we're reaching out to invite you on a journey with us. Over the course of the videos, we will explore cool 3D printing technologies together and fun do-it-yourself projects using our years of experience in modern manufacturing and art as a guide. Without further ado, let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Sherry, the CEO and creative Big Cheese here at 3D Additive Fabrication. A little about myself. I'm a digital and practical artist. I can paint, I can sculpt, I can draw, I can bring imagination to life, but I cannot sing. I'm a visual marketing graduate from Sheridan College, and because I can't get enough of school, I'm heading back for animation. These skills, together with the emerging technologies in 3D printing and laser cutting, will allow us to create amazing projects. Stay tuned.
Hello everybody, I'm Zander Chamberlain, the Director of Manufacturing at 3D Additive Fabrication. When I was young, I loved to tear things apart, and sometimes I get them back together. This led to a lifelong passion in fabrication, manufacturing, and design. For the past decade, I've worked as a machinist, team senior, project lead, research and development for a variety of world-class manufacturers. Over these years, we've branched out into product design, reverse engineering, 3D printing, and just about everything else. Here at 3DAF, I oversee projects from inception to finished product to ensure the highest level of quality at every stage. In our video series, Sherry and I will be walking you through the best practices for a variety of 3D printing technologies, one by one, to help you get the best out of every project. Over the course of our video series, we will look in depth at fused deposition, modeling, stereolithography, selective laser sintering, direct metal laser sintering, laser cutting, software, material science, and so much more. Like and subscribe, click on the notifications, and stay up to date with our latest videos, and we will see you again soon.